Good morning. Today we are going to see programmable logic controllers. It is commonly called as PLC. PLC is a special form of microprocessor based controller. It uses a programmable memory to store instructions, to implement functions such as logical, sequential operations by using timers, counters, and arithmetic based instructions to control machines and its processes. Programmable control logic controllers or PLC or specialized industrial computers. The PLC accepts the inputs from switches, sensors and other measuring devices and it evaluates a program, the logical program that already has been stored. Based on the program, it will change the state of outputs to control the machine and its process. The term logic is used because programming is primarily concerned with implementing the logical operations that involve with machines by switching its operations. The logical operations based on if input A and input B, which is actually a switch, which is activating eventually that will switch on a output C. And if a switch A and B occurs, the PLC will switch on output D. The PLC involves input devices, output devices. The input devices will be basically sensors and switches. The output devices will be basically a motor, a ball, a lamp, a solenoid, or anything. The operator or programmer who enters the sequence of instructions, based on the instructions, the PLC will process the input and it will process the output as per instructions that we programmed. This is the graphical diagram for the PLC, which is connected with the inputs and outputs. The controller, it actually monitors the inputs and process the outputs according to the program by the controlling rules, the control logic that we programmed. The PLCs are basically similar to computers, whereas computers are optimized for calculation and display tasks. The PLC is optimized for control tasks on industrial environments. The industrial environments will be basically on rugged and very harsh environments. The PLCs are designed to withstand the rugged and harsh environments, vibrations, temperature, humidity, and noise. The PLCs are designed to program very easily by any technician who can understand the operation of a machine and its components. The programming language commonly we using is a logical diagram. The logical diagram is easily understandable for programming and its monitoring. The PLC has been divided into three types based on its construction: small or compact, and modular PLC, and software based PLC. The compact PLC, it is a fixed module, will have limited number of inputs and outputs, and it is designed to program and operate a limited functions. The modular PLC or rack based PLC is basically a network based system which holds a single processor or multiple processor to accommodate many input and output remote locations based on the communication protocol, field bus, CC link, Profibus, and Ethernet. For example, compact PLCs, that is Omron CJ series, Omron CP series, Mitsubishi FX series, and Simatic S7 tuners. The modular PLC rack-based system, which is famous for fully automatic control system of the manufacturing plants. For example, AB Allen Bradley Control Logic 5000, Melsa Q series or series, and A7200. The software-based PLC. The software-based PLCs. We have several softwares that can also be programmed equivalent to PLC without a hardware. It uses a CPU of the industrial PC and process the logic and switch over the outputs by the interface cards connected to the PC itself. The examples are Wonderware, LabVIEW, and VE program. The software-based PLC, you can see the PC will work as an engineering workstation. PC will work as a HMI itself. PC as a real-time processor. The real-time processor will be used as industrial control system. The common PLC manufacturers are Siemens, Allen Bradley, the Rockwell Automation, GE Fanuc, Omron, Mitsubishi, Honeywell, GE Fanuc, Wago, Phoenix, Schneider, ABB, Ishikawa, Viva. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more videos.